Hi guys, welcome to another HTML5 video. So we will continue with JavaScript and HTML5, and this video I'm going to talk about a new function which is pretty similar to this, but it's called querySelectorAll. So remember that I told you that we could, if we have two IDs equal, only the first one would return the action, which is onClick say, and the alert you click something. Only the first one, okay? Because it reads from top to bottom, line by line, and when it reaches the first one that it says ID first, it stops there, and this is what where the onClick will work. It will not work on this one, even if it has the first as an ID. Now to return this one and this one, so every single ID that says first, to do that and make the third one work as well, when I click it, it will return the alert box. To do that, we have to change some things in here. First of all, let's take this out. Okay, the onClick, and in here let's create a variable list equals document query selector, and now we type all. Okay, what this will do is query selector or query select all the IDs first, and then down here we will create a for loop with var I equals 0, and I list length, which is the length of the list, because this will be, or this is now an array. Okay, what basically this will return, the query selector all, is an array with all the IDs that have the name first, which basically are two, this one and this one. So we have an array of two elements. Okay, now we will proceed with the loop of all of them. After length semicolon, don't forget that, I++. This will loop through the array, and now we type list square brackets I dot onClick, this is the action, equals say. Okay, now this basically will loop through all the arrays that have returned the ID first, the elements with the name first, which is this one and this one, as I told you, and basically that will work perfectly, hopefully, in our web browser. So let's refresh first. Now if I click here, my first JavaScript, I click it, you click something, it works, the alert box. If I click my second JavaScript, nothing works. If I click my third JavaScript, it works as well. Perfect. Okay, it's just an example, a little bit more complex with a for loop, and this is basically what the query selector all does. You can also define whether you want only the first one or this one to work. Okay, and to do that, it's pretty easy. Let's delete the for loop. Now in here we type list, and remember when we create an array, to select the elements inside the array, in this case we have two, the first one would be 0 and the second one would be 1. So an array always starts with the values in 0, as you remember. So let's say I want only the second one to work, which is, the second one is this one here. Dot, oops, not in click, is on click, equals say. I'll save that. Let's return here, refresh, and if I click the first one, nothing happens. The second one, of course, nothing happens. If I click the third one, which is the second one in the array, you clicked something. It works. Okay? Let's, instead of 1, let's put 0. Save it. Refresh. I'm clicking the third one, nothing happens. And there it is. If I click the first one, there it is. Okay, so this is how you can use querySelectorAll, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you already know, just send me a private message or post your questions down in the section below. See you guys later, and happy coding.